Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable photo tags notifications in X. If you're tired of receiving constant notifications whenever someone tags you in a photo, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Locate and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, disable photo tags notifications. By toggling the switch or selecting the appropriate option, this will turn off notifications specifically for photo tags. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled photo tags notifications in X, allowing you to have a more peaceful and distraction-free experience. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be tailored to your preferences, with fewer interruptions from photo tags notifications.